Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Capricorn. Nine of Swords, the Devil, Eight of Cups, Capricorn. The energy with these cards is that, guys, you are feeling great stress in your life, some kind of anxiety. You are anxious about certain things, so that may be because of certain habits that you're having, some kind of addictions in your life, that you want to move away from, certain kind of emotions, or you are maybe for some of you all, you are healing from a breakup. That may also be the energy here, guys. You are turning to certain addictions to overcome this sadness and anxiety, that sleeplessness that is there. You are feeling really, what to say, very anxious. You want to walk away from certain things, or you are, what to say, leaving certain situations. You just want to run away, avoid those situations, those were causing that stress for you. That may also be the energy here, guys. And you are feeling great disappointment, some kind of delays that may be in your work, some projects or some deals, that financial deals or contracts that you need to sign, that may be delayed due to some reasons, or some disappointments in your work or in this relationship with this person. Or if you are, maybe for some of you all, you may want to move away from them because you feel disappointed with this person. You are not happy how things are going in your life, in your personal life, so you just want to leave them and you want to just move away. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, Capricorn. What is the energy? Mountain, Lady, oops. So definitely you are dealing with certain addictions, guys, or your person, they are definitely dealing with some kind of addictive behavior, some harmful behavior, and you are feeling great challenges. You need to face, you are facing those challenges, and the stress may be because of that. And in this relationship with this person, you are feeling those challenges with them, guys. Or they may be someone who is not interested in this deep relationship. They have a different, what to say, or they have challenges they need to face themselves in life, guys, and they have great ambitions in their life, so their focus is on something else, not you, not this relationship. That may also be the reason for this disappointment. That may be the reason that you are moving away from this relationship, that you want to move away from this relationship because they are not focusing on you or this relationship. They are focused on their work or their own ambitions, or they have some selfish interest, or they have some addictions that they need to overcome to be in this happy relationship, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Capricorn. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. Let go. So very beautiful card for your situation, Capricorn. So in life we always need to release all that negativeness, whatever we have, fear, want, and that possessiveness that we have to leave all that, and we should try to give whatever we can, share and help the people that we are there with in our situation. So that may be monetary help, or some kind of advice, or some kind of listening. Sometimes when we listen to the person, they just release their burdens, so that way we are helping them. And sometimes we should release our own burdens too. Whatever we have, we should release them too. So whatever that is stressing us, all that negative kind of emotions, hate and that sadness, we need to give up, guys. So when we give up, we will release those negative energy from our heart, and we open ourselves to more freshness and love, and we learn the true purpose of our life. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, Capricorn. So it is a time for you all to let go of the past and start healing. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.